Today we're celebrating Earth Day in the only fashion that Earhart can do it, and we do it big. We have recycling, we have fishing, we have plant collection and identification, we have native grasses identification, and bats. Bats is a new one to us. Earhart is an environmental magnet school. We focus on protecting the earth, learning about recycling, learning about nature and what we can do to make it a better place.
All right, here comes the next big rain. It's coming along and it's pouring.
This event, not only does it let the kids learn new activities and new information about specific items, but it lets them showcase what they already know. Our students get the opportunity to interact with community members and volunteers that are leading these sessions, and it just builds on the information that we study and utilize that we learn within the classroom walls.
I got a spider!
You got a spider in there? Cool, what kind?
I think the kids love to be outside, but then they also love the opportunity to interact with the community and just learn new things. They soak every little bit in, and it's based on information that they have the basic knowledge of already.